What's going on, guys? It's Mags here, coming at y'all with the NFP market review. Today's October 4th, 2024. So let's just jump right into it. So coming into the session, we pumped really hard off of NFP. This candle right here is the 930. Is where I started looking for opportunity. We had SMT of the highs here with ES, and you could have caught an opportunity up here. But to me, I didn't like how this was accumulating, how it was. But in hindsight, you could see it was a great short. It was an awesome short. So I tried to catch like a reaccumulation of liquidity into a redistribution. As you can see here, this candle made the 15-minute gap. So let's just go in the 15-minute gap. So you guys can see it was the high right here. It was the high of this candle. So that's where I wanted to see a potential continuation from after a retracement. And that's exactly what we received. But the thing was, I didn't get even my first target because of SMT with ES at 1030. Just shot us all the way back up to stop loss. As well, just wanted you guys to see why I entered here. So first of all, we have this advanced market structure pattern here. We have a fair value gap. We have a high, a swing high, a second swing high that's lower than the first, and then the third swing high sweeps both of those. Right there, ICT himself says that you could catch turtle soups off of this pattern with the right, narrative behind it. But I have done it before, but I'm not very confident in that setup. So I wanted extra confirmation before jumping into the trade. So, but in lifetime, I was calling this level here, and I was like, this is gonna be a turtle soup here. And in hindsight, looking at it, it is very clean, very, very clean. We closed below the 50% of the gap, and we took liquidity inside of the gap. So right there, I should have shorted here. But we came down, we inverted this gap, and that's when I shorted. As you can see, we came in, I shorted, and not much long after, we reversed completely. Right here was the market structure shift. Honestly, I should have trailed my stop to here after we had pushed down through this gap, through a swing low and that gap. It's not mentioned. This swing low plus this displacement through the swing low and closing the gap. I should have trailed my stop right here, which if I can remember correctly, I did, but then I moved it back up to original. That right there was a mistake, because I could have stopped this significant of a loss. So I had lost 92 on this trade when I could have lost 32. So imagine that. But let's move on to the second trade. Right here. Shortly after, we got stopped out. I waited and waited, and once I saw this swing low get displaced, and we closed this gap, I was looking to be short again because we were still in that 15-minute gap, and I still wanted that London low that I was originally aiming for, which we never reached today. But as you can see here, I got in, really good entry, just for a market maker sell model, but upon coming down, I round tripped. As you can see, the 1150 macro came in, and we reversed immediately from the macro. Literally, this is 1150 right here, and there was no stopping the macro there. I got stopped in profits, very, very small profits, but I did want that London low, so that's really what I was aiming for there. I maybe would have trimmed at the midnight price because I would have been up a lot, but my original TP target was the London low. So other than that, guys, there's nothing else to it. Just keep it simple. As you can see, all you need to do is keep it simple, and it could take you a far way. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and peace.